This 2020 Keystone Alpine 3651RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features a tan interior, sleeps 4, awning, skylight, auxiliary battery, slide-out, spare tire kit, external shower, TV antenna, stovetop burner, smoke detector. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.